How to fix Microsoft Office installation error 30016-22 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Once you are sure that previous version of the Office is removed, you should then run a disk cleanup, which will ensure that you have sufficient disk space on your device and that any bug temp files are deleted. Corrupted system files are often the culprits of many issues going wrong on Windows. To repair them, you could always employ sfc and dism commands via the elevated command prompt. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work, this is an official tool you can download from Microsoft's website. It can assist you with Office installation issues automatically.